How to use ClearComp. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. Welcome to my ClearComp review and tutorial. Is ClearComp the best compensation management software? Managing employee compensation can get complicated, especially for companies dealing with commission structures, bonuses, and performance-based pay. That's where ClearComp comes in. It's a compensation management software designed to help businesses automate and optimize their payroll, incentive plans, and commission structures. But is it the right fit for your company? Well, in this tutorial, we'll be breaking down ClearComp's features, pros and cons, pricing, and real user feedback to help you decide. We'll kick things off by looking at what is ClearComp and how does it work. ClearComp is a cloud-based compensation management platform that helps businesses track, calculate, and distribute compensation effectively. It's designed for companies that need structured commission plans, real-time pay tracking, and automated payroll calculation. Now, let's explore some core features of this platform. For instance, compensation automation. With this feature, it streamlines payroll, bonuses, and commission calculations. Also, custom commission structures, which allows businesses to set up custom pay models for employees and sales teams. It also offers real-time earning tracking. With this feature, employees can see their earnings, commission progress instantly, and also performance analytics. With this feature, it provides insights into compensation trends, employee productivity, and pay equity. It also offers compliance and security, which ensures payroll and bonus structures comply with industry regulation. And it integrates with payroll and CRM, as it connects seamlessly with platforms like Salesforce, QuickBooks, and ADP. Now, let's explore some use cases of ClearComp. ClearComp is designed for businesses that handle complex compensation structures. It's ideal for sales teams and commission-based roles, as it tracks commissions and bonuses in real time. It also is good for finance and HR departments, as it automates compensation, workflows, and ensure compliance. And it is good for growing companies, as it will help businesses scale without increasing administrative overhead. And it is perfect for enterprises with tiered pay structures, as it manages layered incentive products. And it is good for enterprises with tiered pay structures, as it manages layered incentive programs effectively. Now let's talk about some pros and cons of ClearComp. For instance, when it comes on to pros, it automates compensation processes, saving time on payroll and commission calculation. It also is good when it comes on to real-time earning visibility, as employees and managers can track pay instantly. It also offers customizable pay structures, so it supports different commission models and bonuses. It offers strong integrations, and it improves transparency. The only pullback I would say with this platform is the pricing is not available publicly, and it requires a custom quote and a learning curve for customization. Some users find setting up complex pay structures take time and limited advanced reporting. Some companies may need more in-depth analytics. Now, if we were to talk about user reviews and ratings, let's kick things off by talking about Capterra ratings. On Capterra, it has a ratings of 5, as you can see right there, as it is praised for real-time commission tracking, but some wish for deeper analytics. And if I were to check out G2 ratings, it has a 4.4 ratings out of 5, as users love the automation features but mention a learning curve for setup. And it also has a good Trustpilot ratings of 4.3 out of 5 star, with positive reviews on accuracy, with occasional feedbacks about UI improvements. So overall, users find ClearComp to be an effective and transparent compensation management tool, though initial setup can take some time. And if we were to talk about their pricing and plans, ClearComp does not list its pricing publicly. ClearComp does not list its pricing publicly. It offers custom pricing based on company size, number of employees, and features needed. You will need to request a demo to get an exact quote. So, in conclusion, is ClearComp worth it? If your business relies on commission-based pay, bonuses, or complex salary structures, ClearComp is a great choice. It automates compensation, reduces errors, and improves pay transparency, making it a powerful tool for HR and finance teams. However, if you're looking for a simpler payroll software without complex commission tracking, alternatives like Gusto or Paycor may be the better suited for your needs. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.